Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Drop cashback and reward app review to see if it's worth using. The Drop app is a free reward platform that lets you earn points by linking your debit card or credit card and shopping at a partnered retailers. You can also earn extra points through a survey, games, and a special offer. These points can be redeemed for gift cards from popular brands like Amazon and Starbucks. However, recent changes have been made harder to redeem rewards. So users now need a manual opt-in weekly to earn points, and gift card redemptions are limited to specific times, often sent out quickly. So many users have reported delays in receiving gift card, with some waiting over 60 days or not receiving them at all. While Drop offers an easy way to earn rewards on everyday purchases, recent issues have redeemed point with redeeming point delay gift cards and deliveries have frustrated many users. So if you are looking for a reliable cashback app, you might want to consider alternatives like Rakuten or Ibora, and that's it.